Hey guys, welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's test video for LFCE 254, guys. This is a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo G-body, but she's got a 4.3 in her. I got all excited thinking she was a V8 car, and she's got a 4.3. But guys, this thing is flippin' nice. Keep it PG here for the viewers. This car is going to have a ton of body parts on it, a pair of front fenders, a very nice front bumper, a nice loaded header panel. This front bumper, it's cream. I'm not sure if the GoPro's picking it up. She's got some scuffs, but she will really paint nice. Yeah, I just said that. We're gonna roll with that. Whatever, guys. Moving right along, the passenger fender is gonna be sold with all this nice chrome on it. We got another nice door with the real nice LS chrome and the trim on it. Real nice condition. A little bit of, you know, love there, but she is very, very original. Nice set of, I believe these are 15-inch rallies. Let me look, guys. 14-inch rallies. And those hand-cooked tires are gonna go burn right off this thing. All right, let's keep moving along here. Here's the rear of the car. Clearly, that's where this girl took an incident. Let's step inside and fire this thing up. Do a quick little test of the, oh boy. Yeah, the power seat does not move and it is stuck in short person mode. 49,076 miles on her. She fires right up. Go ahead and test out the climate control here. My favorite test, the air conditioning. It's working, but I don't think it's blowing cold. Toby Keith's Boomtown. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna go with side 1 or 2. Who's that man or you ain't much fun? Let's go with side 2. Oh man, come on, play for me, baby. Ah, the stereo might not be good. Oh. That's some good music. All right, give her a couple of revs here. You guys can see all the gauges are working well. This is a non-tack car. And we're gonna show off the interior here. Come on, get the box. We're gonna show off the interior here for you guys. Very nice driver's door panel. The seats do not move, but we're gonna be selling them if you wanna repair it. A very nice back seat. All sorts of nice trim. We're gonna shut the hood here before we do our engine test. We're gonna end it with something a little bit special. We're gonna fry those tires off, guys. What you doing like this? All right. All right, guys, here we go. We got reverse. We got drive. All right, let's see what she does. One wheel peel master, engage. I would say that is a great success, man. For a V6, she really did a good burnout. Let me step on out here and we're gonna end this video. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to walk outside. It is gnarly smoky in here. That is gonna wrap it up for LFCE 254, our 1985 Monte Carlo LS with the 4.3 liter, guys. If you want any parts off this car, I'm gonna have a link in the description below to our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, and give us a like and follow on social media, guys. If you like more of this, go ahead and subscribe because we got some more coming. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.